Hello, welcome everyone to this overview presentation of the recently appeared Springer book about contemporary empirical methods in software engineering by the two editors Michael Felderer and Guilherme Horta-Travassos. The book is highly recommended for PhD students and both academic and industrial researchers in software engineering that want to learn and apply cutting-edge empirical methods. The book project was originally announced at the ICERN meeting in 2018 in Oulu. ICERN is the International Software Engineering Research Network, which tries to promote and develop standards for empirical methods in software engineering. And on the right, you can find the original call, which led to many high-quality chapter contributions that were compiled in the book into overall 4 parts. The first part is about study strategies, the second one about data collection, production and analysis, the third one about knowledge acquisition and aggregation, and the final one about knowledge transfer. Now we want to guide you through the book and hope that you find something interesting for you. So the first one is the preface by the well-known software engineering researcher Klaas Wollien, and then we have an introductory chapter about the evolution of empirical methods in software engineering, where we give an overview of the application of empirical methods from the very beginning of the field of software engineering up to today, which finally results in this book with its 4 parts. The first part is about study strategies. It contains 4 chapters. One on guidelines for conducting software engineering research, providing an overall framework for classifying and applying empirical methods in software engineering. The second one about guidelines for case survey research in software engineering. The next one, challenges in survey research. And the final one in this part, the design science paradigm as a frame for empirical software engineering. The second part is about data collection, production and analysis. It contains overall 6 chapters. The first chapter of this part is about biometric measurement in software engineering. The next one about empirical software engineering experimentation with human computation. The next one about data science and empirical software engineering. Then we have one about optimization in software engineering, a pragmatic approach. Then one about the role of simulation-based studies in software engineering, and the final one about Bayesian data analysis in empirical software engineering. The third part is about knowledge acquisition and aggregation. It contains overall 5 chapters. One about automating systematic literature reviews, the next one about Revit reviews in software engineering, the third one about benefiting from the grey literature in software engineering research, then one about systematic assessment of threats to validity in software engineering secondary studies, and the final one about evidence aggregation in software engineering. The fourth part is then related to knowledge transfer. It contains 2 chapters, one about open science in software engineering and the final one about practical industry co-production and technology and knowledge interchange. Overall, we hope that the book is useful to you. On the right, you find the links to it. It's available both as ebook and as printed book, and we look forward to exchange with you about the book.